Hello, travelers. How are you all doing today? Ye blessings. Thank you so much for pressing the play button. Please feel free to stay and also to join the others. The mathematical wizards will restore your wisdom while you are here to learn. It is so great to have you. I am Johnny, your host with HomeCountry Mathematics. I truly appreciate you. Let us learn some maths, shall we? Ye wonderful learning individuals, it is a pleasure. All right, let us continue. Are you all excited? Let us go. We are continuing. We are in chapter 1-2, Order of Operations, where we evaluate numerical expressions by using the order of operations. Sharing an example. Normally you will hear these terms called BODMAS or PEMDAS or BODMAS. It is all the same. B for brackets, P for parentheses. Sometimes you will have square brackets. Those are the areas you want to focus on when you begin working and solving algebra type problems. Order may have some square roots or radicals. Exponents are a must to complete. Once those are done and you work towards division and multiplication, then lastly, addition, subtraction. I recommend the more algebraic problems or expressions that you grind out, the better you're gonna get. Let's do this. Okay. We have, it is written as 15, subtract 9, plus 3 multiplied by 6. Now take note, this is a small problem, easy one for us to do. You can also, sometimes you'll come upon some of these algebra expressions, they may get a little lengthy. I'm going to show you right from the get-go, right from the beginning, that you can rewrite the problem if you choose to do so. And there's nothing that says that you cannot, because you can. As an example, I could separate what I would call the right-hand side of our plus sign by using brackets. It creates simplification. We can visually look at it. It's easy to understand. And now the problem has, well, become something that may have looked like it was all scary and not so much anymore. Isn't that great? Okay. I'm just going to clean that up. So therefore, I can add in my own set of brackets if I like. Now, if you like the analogy of, I kind of separate this into like neighborhoods. We have a fence line here. This is neighbor on the left-hand side, and this is a neighbor on the right-hand side. So left-hand side and right-hand side. The reason I do this is because we have an addition sign here, right? And if you look, our addition is step 3, the very last step. So we don't have to worry about this till the end. So as you face more algebraic expressions, some of them are going to get larger. This is kind of good practice right from the beginning to organize your problem, to simplify it better, and you'll be able to solve the problem successfully. All those that are watching and learning along, I'll support you. Keep it up. Good job. All right. 15 subtract 9. We have a positive value. We don't write positive, but we know it's positive. Therefore, our final answer is going to be a positive value because 15 is greater than 9. This negative actually technically kind of belongs to the 9. It's not really inferred, but we can look at this as negative 9 in a sense. Let's just do the simple subtraction. We need one jump to take us to 10. So that's 1 plus 5, which is 6. So bringing the problem down here, we have 6. Let's work on our right-hand side. Let's do this quickly. Again, I like to share this. I recommend that you study your multiplication and or times table. You will be able to solve all your mathematical problems quickly, effectively, and efficiently. You may even become faster than your peers. Wouldn't that be great? All right, good luck on your studies. 3 times 6 is 18. Therefore, we're left with 6 plus 18. Both positive values, therefore our answer is going to be positive still. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Our answer is 24. All right, let's do another. We have 45 plus, and we have square brackets in this one. This is great. Like I was explaining before, commonly you will see rounded brackets inside square brackets. This is common. Everything inside the brackets is going to be cubed, and then we have divided by 4. Looks complicated, but let's simplify. Okay. Again, just like everything, I like to separate in my mind neighborhood, neighbor 1, neighbor 2. Left-hand side, right-hand side. Okay? Let's continue. So, the left-hand side can just hang out and wait. We don't need to worry about it because it's the very last thing we're going to be doing. So everything on the right-hand side, we're going to be adding to the left-hand side. Make sense? I hope so. Okay, following BODMAS, PEMDAS rules, We do brackets, anything inside the brackets. So what it means is, technically speaking, I could do all of this in 2 steps, but I'll show you the work. Okay, 1 plus 1 is 2. And our cubed, we have not done anything yet. Same thing with our 4. The only thing we've done is just we did the brackets or the parentheses. Okay, that's it. Nothing wrong with showing your work in multiple steps. Okay, so now we have to get rid of the exponent. That's our next thing. 2 cubed means 2 times 2 times 2. We have 2 times 2 is 4. And times 2 again is 8. Clean up my little mess there. Whoops. Boy, I can't wait to get myself a pen tablet. This will be so much easier. Okay, nice. I think we're doing all right so far. This is great. Commonly, I'm not a fan of doing division in a linear fashion. I always like to turn my division into fraction form. That is something that I like to do. Again, we only have 2 numbers, so it's not really necessary, but I could show the work like that. 45, because our left-hand side still is unchanged. We have not done anything. We're just working on our right-hand side. 45 plus, now we're left with 1 set of brackets. Okay, so we're technically still doing brackets. Okay, I could even turn these square brackets into rounded parentheses if I wanted to. But 8 divided by 4 is 2. Hopefully I know how to do my math and I have my times table memorized. Hopefully. All right. Therefore, we're left with 45 plus 2. We're on our last step, addition, subtraction. And the final answer should be, hopefully, 47. I have nothing to check my work, except for you guys and gals. All right. That is it. I appreciate you watching. Stay tuned. We will do more of these algebra expressions because they're so much fun. Again, I recommend you do as many as you can because that'll help you succeed. I'm not certain what grade you're in, but algebra is the foundation to college mathematics. I will say that. Good luck in your studies, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.